Jana is here. Are you feeling tight on time, busy, but you still want to squeeze your workout in? Well, you're in the right place. I'm a certified Pilates instructor and FST stretch therapist. And in today we have 10-minute workout, wall Pilates, a workout inspired by the Barre. Barre is a dancer training which is a little bit more faster paced, tiny bit elevated heart rate and focused on the lower body. So if you enjoy it, let me know in the comments below and let's get started.
Starting with your back against the wall, we're going to lift the right arm up and take it over into a nice side bend. Bring it back through the middle and left arm up with the inhale. Exhale, take it over. Good. Use your core to restack. And again, long reach. Good. Keep that length through the spine as you're doing the side bend. And opposite arm up and over. Make sure your head is coming with you into that side bend. Good. Let's do one more time on each side. Lift the arm. Inhale. Exhale. Take it over. Bring it back through the center. Pull the abdominals in. And one more time on the left, reach long through the fingertips and restack back to the center. Let's place your hand on the wall, keep a little bit of space, and we're just going to do a little mini side push-up. So think of your bending the elbow, your body stay in the straight line. So pull those abdominals in, a little squeeze into the glutes. Good, leaning in and pressing out, squeezing your mid-back. Good. Now we're going to keep the arms straight and pulse the hips. Good. Activating your oblique muscles on the side of your belly. Good. Hips and pull those ribs in to bring it back up to the middle. Let's rotate to the other side. So starting with a mini push-up. So bending the elbow, leaning towards the wall, all in one straight line. Good. Abs are working, glutes are squeezing from the back. Good, let's do a few more. And exhale, press. Inhale to lean over. Exhale, squeeze your mid-back to push. Good, step a little bit further away. Keep pushing into the wall and pulse the hips. Hips are leading to the wall. And think of picking those ribs and abdominals in, using your obliques to restack to the middle. Good. Lean with the hips. Exhale to bring it back up. Good. Arms stay straight. Your mid-back doing a lot of stability work. Good. So let's bring your back against the wall and bring your feet a little bit forward and just walk your feet, lifting the knees one at a time. Keep pressing into the backs of the arms. Good. Activating your mid-back, keeping your core nice and tight. Let's do the opposite arm and leg. Fancy word for it, contralateral. Good. Reach on the exhale, inhale, bring it down. Good. Feel that your body stays centered. So you're still against the wall and your hips are not shifting too far off to the side. Good. A few more here. Good. And little pulses with the hips. Keep the arms pressing back, squeeze those shoulder blades. Good. Bump to the wall and push with your glutes. Activating your hips there, activating your core. Good. Awesome. Let's place one hand against the wall so your elbow slightly bent, and outside leg is going to draw little circles from the hip. So your hips are staying squared. Imagine your hip bones as a headlight shining forward. Just rotating from the hip joint, tap it to the side and draw a half circle to bring it over to the front. Good. So you're staying heavy onto that supporting left foot. Good. Let's do a little plie. So knees together, squeeze those inner thighs and imagine your back is gliding down against the imaginary wall. So you're staying nice and tall through the spine. Good. Heels are still touching the floor, so it's a great mobility for your ankles. Let's do a little kick to the side. Plie, kick to the side from the hip. Good. Squeeze your bum. Make sure it's coming from the hip and not from your waistline. Kick. Kick. Nice and easy. Keep pushing into that stability leg. Good. Let's do the curtsy. Pulse it down. Bring the foot forward and pulse it. 3, 2, 1. Push the weight back and pulse. 3, 2, 1. Draw it half a circle and pulse. Hips are forward. 2, 1. Out and pulse. 2, 1. And half a circle. Transition the weight, so you're shifting the weight from back to the front. Even weight on both feet. Back heel slightly lifted. Front foot is heavy onto the floor. Good. So keep that turn out through the hips. Your knees are slightly out. Let's hold it here and do a little twist towards the wall, towards the front knee. Pulse, pulse, twist, and pulse. Good. And again, hips are squared. You're just turning from your chest. Squeeze those hands together to keep you a little bit more, give you a little bit more stability here. Good. Let's come up and kick the back leg. So you're shifting your weight into the front foot, squeezing your glute on that kick. Abs are still tight, so you're keeping a long neutral spine. And kick. In and kick. Curtsy. And bring it all the way back in. Transition. Good. And just doing the work a little bit more onto the quads and ankles. So lift the heel. So front heel tapping down. Nice and easy. So your weight is more sitting on that left leg. Good. Step everything back. Let's turn around and do the other side. Good. Starting from the hip circles. Drawing it, the big circle from the hip. Out and back, tapping the floor. So your weight is staying on the right foot. So this is your stability side. Little plies down and up. Heels are touching the floor. Good. Think of squeezing your bum and scooping the tummy on that lift. Straight back. Good. And little kick. Out and kick. So we're really pushing into that right foot on the left, taking the left foot out to the side. Good. It's a lot of work on that stability side. Good. Let's bring the leg back. Curtsy, pulse, 2, 1. Bring it in. Keep the turn out through the hips. 2, 1. Circle back. 3, 2, 1. Circle. And to the front. Keep the knees out. Opening those hip joints and back. 3, 2, 1. Nice and small and quick pulses. Front, hips are staying squared and bring it back. 3, 2, 1 and half a circle. Front. 3, 2, 1. Shifting the weight. Good. And let's hold it there. And press your palms together, little twist. So hips are squared, just rotating the upper body. Twist. Draw those abdominals in. Yes, you need some stability there. Good. Stay tall through the spine. Use your core to stabilize. Good. Twist and center. Come up and little kick. Curtsy and kick. Good. Keeping the knee straight, so lifting the leg from the glute, from the hip. And kick. Abs are in, supporting your lower back. And kick. Good. Hold it there. Pause. And let's lift the front heel. Do little taps. Tap. Nice and easy. So more of your weight sitting on the outside leg. Good. Tap. Good. And lift. Turn facing the wall and let's balance it out with some ab work and upper body work. Little push up, lift the heels, lean to the wall and push away. Up, lean, exhale to press. Keep your core tight so your body is moving as all one piece. Good. Lift, push up, bring the heels down. Good. Mobilizing the ankles, a little bit stretching your calves now. And lean, press away. Good. Walk a little bit forward. Keep your core in. Ribs are together. Let's walk your hands up and walk them down just to the shoulder height. Walk forward so you're leaning a little bit closer to the wall. Really keep your upper abdominals tight. Good. To support your stability, walk back, up, and 3 steps back in. Good. Let's do a few more. Good. Keep the arms a little bit above your shoulders level and contralateral, opposite arm and leg. Little reach, lift and reach. Squeezing your glute, squeezing your back, ribs stay together. Nice and square towards the wall. Good. Exhale, lift. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Keeping the leg and arms straight. Nice. Good. And from here, we're going to walk your hands back to the shoulder height. Step back and drop the chest down through the arms in a little bit of extension. Good. Hips back. Shift the weight to the heels and bring it forward. Extend the spine. Good. Lean back. Stretch the chest and shoulders and extend. Good. Nice mobility through the pelvis here. Good. So let's bring your forearms over the wall, hands together, and let's just stretch the shoulders, stretch the triceps. Good. Reaching your hands behind your head. Good. And now let's lower the hands. Good. Lean back with the hips and bend one knee and bring the hips to the opposite side. So you're leaning weight on your straight leg. That's my favorite stretch for the glutes, for the hamstrings. You may feel your calves here as well. Let's add the arm reach. So if you're bending the right knee, the right arm reaching across. Good. Do a few of those. It's adding the upper back stretch. Good. Reach through, still leaning your hips onto that straight leg and roll through the spine. Awesome work. Hope you feel amazing. See you next time.